Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our lesson today. I'm called Abdullah SUMEYA, Integrated Garissa. Remember, we have been dealing with area, and it's just a continuation of what we have been doing. There's a question here. You are told, find the height of the trapezium below. Find the height of the trapezium below. Remember, yesterday we did the area of trapezium, where we said area of a trapezium is equal to, we said a half into bracket A plus B times H height. That's what we said yesterday. So now they don't want the area. Remember, they have given the area. M means area is 80 centimeters squared, and then we have the two parallel sides, and then we have the height now. So we want to get the height. So if I want to get the height now, I will use the formula for getting area. Remember, I said all figures, in any figure, whenever you are given an area, use the formula for getting an area to get the side. So let us get now the height. We use the formula now. So we say a half into bracket A, which is 8 centimeter, plus the baseline, which is 12 centimeter, into bracket times height we don't know, is equal to total area 80 centimeter squared. Now we remove the bracket now, body mass. So we say a half into bracket 12 plus 8 is 20 centimeter, bracket times H we don't know, that's what they're asking, is equal to 80 centimeter squared. So we remove the bracket now by multiplying what's outside the bracket against the inside of the bracket. So by 2, 1, by 2, 10 centimeter. So we multiply now, 10 centimeter times H now. So we get 10 centimeter H is equal to 80 centimeter squared. So I want to get now the value of H. So we say alpha 10 centimeter, alpha 10 centimeter, centimeter by 10 by 10, they go together. Here remains with H is equal to cancel by centimeter 1 by centimeter, because here the square, here the 2 centimeters, you divide it by 1, you remain with 1 centimeter. So which is equal to now, H is equals to 8 centimeter. That's how we get the height. I am repeating, you are given the area squared. They are given the two parallel lines, they want the height. So for us to get the height, we use the formula for getting area of trapezium, a half into bracket A plus B times height. So a half, I will just follow the formula, a half, bracket, A is this line, 8 centimeter, plus baseline, which is 12 centimeter, times H, we don't know, is equal to the total area. So you add what is inside the bracket now. A half into bracket 8 plus 12 is 20, times height, we don't know, is what they're asking, is equal to 80 centimeter squared. Remove the bracket by 2, 1, by 2, 10. 10 centimeter times H is 10 centimeter. H is equal to total area 80 centimeter squared. Alpha 10 centimeter, both sides, they go together. H is equal to 0, 0. Then we get 8 centimeter. That's how we get the height of that figure. Suppose now they ask one of the parallel lines. Now they are asking height. Suppose they ask the parallel lines. So let us try to get one of the lines. So let us get now, they said find A. Find A in the figure below. In the figure below. So this is the figure. Let's say they want A. Here is 12 centimeter, and here is 8 centimeter, and here is 8 centimeter. Then you are given area is 80 centimeter squared. Let us try to find out the value of A. So I'm given the area. Whenever you are given an area, to get to the other side, what do? You use the formula for getting area. So area is equal to, we said, a half into bracket A plus B, bracket times height. That's how we get the area of a trapezium. So we use the formula to get A, the way we did when we were looking for the value of height. So a half into bracket A centimeter, we don't know, plus B, the baseline is 12 centimeter, into bracket times height is 8 centimeter, is equal to 80 centimeter squared. So we say now a half into bracket A centimeter plus 12 centimeter times height, which is H, 8 centimeter, is equals to 80 centimeter squared. Now, I cannot add what is inside the bracket now because this one is a letter and this one is a number. We cannot add. They are unlike terms. So what I do, and if I want to simplify this one, what's inside the bracket, I can do. But for easy way now, since we cannot add what's inside the bracket, what you do, you divide this half by the height. So jump the bracket, go to the height now. So by 2, 1. By 2, 4. So now you use this 4 to remove what is inside the bracket. So let us remove what is inside the bracket by using 4. 4 times A is 4A plus 4 times 12, because here is time, is 4 times 12 is 40. 4 times 12 is 48. Is equal to 80 centimeter squared. So what we do now, we say 4A plus 48 centimeter, 4A centimeter plus 48 centimeter is equals to 80 centimeter squared. So what will happen? I want to get the value of A. So we use the algebra. So the 4 will move to the other side. It is plus, when it goes to the other side, it will become minus 48 centimeter. So here remains with 4A is equal to, let us subtract now, 80 minus 48. 80 minus 48, here is 2, here remains with 732. So you get here 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. I want to get the value of A. Over 4, over 4. Cancel, cancel. A is equals to by 4, 1, by 4, 8. So A is equals to 8 centimeter. That's how we get the value of A. It's just a matter of following the formula. You are told find A. Here, the first question we have been looking for the value of height, but now they want the value of A. They want us to get the value of A. So now you use a half into bracket A plus B times height. A half into bracket A plus B 12 bracket times height 8 is equal to total area. So what's inside the bracket now, we cannot add because this is A and this is 12. They cannot add, they're unlike terms. So what we do now, we say a half into bracket A centimeter plus 12 centimeter times height, which is 8, is equal to total area. Since now this one cannot be added, what I will do, I will divide this half by the height. So by 2, 1, by 2, 4. After dividing half by 8. So you use this 4 to remove what's inside the bracket. You say 4 times A is 4A plus 4 times 12 is 48 is equal to total area. 4A plus 48 is equals to 80 centimeters squared. This one has a letter and this one has no letter. So the one which has no letter will immediately move or migrate to the other side. So when it moves to the other side, it is plus, it will become minus 48. So 4A is equal to, this one has already moved, is equal to 80 minus 48, you get 32. Over 4, over 4, cancel, cancel. A is equals to by 4, 1, by 4, 8, A is equals to 8 centimeter. Even if they ask, if they tell you to find out the baseline, it's the same way we do. We go to now what is called area of a circle. Area of circle. Area of circle. Area of circle. Remember, we have learned the perimeter of a circle. Today we go to now the area of a circle. This is a circle. We want to get the area. Remember, we have learned circumference. We said circumference is equal to by D. But now we want to get the area. And this line is called radius. For example, here you are given 7 centimeters. This line is called radius, as I said earlier. This line is called radius. And when it is full, I said when it's full like this, I said it is diameter. So now that is the radius. So we want to get the area. So area of a circle is equal to by r squared. That's how we get area of a circle. Remember, we say the circumference by d. So this one is by r squared. By is either 22/7 or 3.14. In this case, we take 22/7. R means the radius. Then square, you make it twice now the radius. So I use the formula now. By, let us take 22/7 because the radius is divisible by 7. Times r, r means radius, the line is already radius. Times 7 centimeter, squared now twice, times 7 centimeter. By 7, 1, by 7, 1. So we multiply now, 22 times 1 centimeter times 7 centimeter. 22 times 1 is 22. 22 times 7 is equal to 154 centimeter squared. That's how we get the area of that figure. Area of a circle, the formula is by r squared. By 22/7. R radius, the line is already radius. Squared times 7. By 7, 1, by 7, 1. 22 times 1 times 7, you get 154 centimeter squared. That was question 1. Question 2, let us get now when we are given diameter. For example, let's say the diameter is 28 centimeter. The diameter is 28 centimeter, and I want to get the area of this figure. Remember the formula area, we said area of a circle is equal to by r squared. By, which is 22/7, because the diameter is divisible by 7, times 28. No, you cannot say 28 because the line is diameter, but the formula is asking radius. The formula is not asking by d, it's asking, the formula is saying by r. By r. R means the radius. When you are given a diameter, you divide the diameter into 2. But so let us divide this 28 into 2. It's 14. 28, okay, divide into 2, you get 14. So the r, which is 14 centimeter, the formula is just saying squared times now 14 centimeter. By 7, 1, by 7, 2 centimeter. Let us now multiply. 22 times 2 is 44. 44 times 14, you get 616 centimeter squared. When you multiply 44 times 14, 16 carry 1, 16 plus 1, 17, 4. You get 616. So you will get 616 centimeter squared. That's how we solve when you're given diameter. The formula is by r. By 22/7, r, this is not an r, this is diameter. You divide it into 2, 14 squared times 14. By 7, 1, by 7, 2. 22 times 2, 44. 44 times 14 is 616 centimeter squared. That's how we solve that question. Let us see also another figure. You are told what is the area of a circle whose circumference is this. What is the area? What is the area of a circle whose, what is the area of a circle whose circumference is 44 centimeter. Now, and then let us take by 22/7. Now they want us to get the area. We are given the circumference now. This is the circle. Circumference is 44 centimeter. Now they want us to get the area. We cannot get the area of this figure unless we get the radius or the diameter, because we are given the circumference. When I'm given the circumference and I want to get the area, the first thing I do, I have to look for the radius. So now, when do we do now? In easy way now, and I said earlier, when you want to get now the radius, what do you do, or the diameter? You make the bi-reciprocal. Let us make this bi-reciprocal. You make the bi-reciprocal, then you multiply it by the circumference now in short way. So let us make the bi-reciprocal, and whatever you get will be the diameter now. So you first get the diameter. diameter is equals to now reciprocal of pi, which is 7 out of 22. I made it the pi reciprocal. Multiplied by now the circumference you are given 44 centimeter. Let us multiply by 2 11 by 2 2 2 by 11 1 by 11 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. So diameter is equals to 14 centimeter. If the diameter is 14, the radius will be divided by 2, will be 7 centimeter. The diameter will be 7 centimeter. Now, they don't want the radius. What they want is the area now. Let us get the area now. Area is equal to, remember our formula was, area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Pi, which is 22 over 7, times r is 7, times 7, squared now times 7, centimeter. So by 7 1 by 7 1. 22 times 7 is 154 centimeter squared. That is the area of that figure. I'm repeating. Whenever you are given circumference of the circle and they tell you to find the area, what do? You make the pi reciprocal, then you multiply it by the circumference now. And the first thing you will get will not be a radius, that will be diameter. Then radius divided by 2 now. So circumference is 44. Diameter now, how do I get the diameter? You make the pi reciprocal. 7 out of 22 multiplied by the circumference direct. So by 22, 1 by 22, 2, 7 times 2, 14. Whatever you will get will be diameter. Radius, 7. Now they want the area by r squared. 22 over 7 times radius 7 centimeter times 7 centimeter by 7 1 by 7 1. 22 times 7 is 154 centimeter squared. That's how we do. Now there's another question here. You are told a circular bond has an area of 314 meters squared. A circular bond covers an area of 314 meters squared. 314 meters squared. What is the distance around the bond? What is the distance around the bond? What is the distance? What is the distance around the bond? What is the distance around the bond? Take by 3.14. Take by 3.14. You are told take by 3.14. Now you are given the area. It's different from this one. This one we had the circumference. They wanted the area. It's the opposite of this one. Now this one you are given the area and they want the circumference now. They want the circumference now. Now, let us get now. So you are given the area. You use now area is equal to pi r squared. Pi r squared. By you are told 3.14 times r squared. We don't know radius is equal to now the total area 314 centimeter squared. So 3.14 is the by 3.14 times r squared is 3.14 r squared is equals to total area 314 centimeter squared. What do? I want to get the radius, this one. So what I will do, I will say 3 over 3.14 over 3.14 cancel. R squared is remaining. What's remaining is r squared is equal to now. I want to divide this one, but this one, the denominator has decimals. So now you remove times 100, 2 decimals, times 100, both sides cancel. The points will migrate, will go outside. So here remains now 314 times 100, 314 centimeter squared times 100 over 314. By 314, 1 by 314 is 1. So r squared is equal to 1 times 100 is 100 now. What do we do now? 100 centimeter squared. What do we do now? Use square root both sides. So r is equal to square root of 100 is 10. So radius is 10. But they want now the perimeter now. Let us find the perimeter now. Let us find the perimeter. They don't want the radius. Perimeter, remember, our circumference is equals to by d. 3.14 times now diameter. Radius is 10. Diameter will be 20 now. Centimeter. Diameter will be 20 times 20 centimeter. Now you cancel this one. The point will move this side by one step. So you get 1.4 times 2 now. You get 8.26 centimeter. That's how we get the perimeter. What do you do now? You say by r squared. By 3.14 times radius, we don't know squared, is equal to total area. Use the formula for getting area. So 3.14 times r squared is 3.14 r squared is equals to total area 314 centimeter squared. So alpha 3.14, alpha 3.14. Cancel, you remain with r squared. R squared is equals to now 314 alpha 3.14. You remove the decimals times 100 times 100. It will go outside. So you say 314 times 100 alpha 314 after we remove the decimals. So by 314 1 by 314 1. 1 times 100 is 100. R squared is equals to 100. If it has a square, you square root both sides. Square root of r squared is r. Square root of 100 is 10. If the radius is 10, diameter will be 20. They want to know the circumference distance perimeter by d. By 3.14 times diameter 20. Cancel, point will move one step. So 3.14 times 2, you get 62.8 centimeter. So we shall stop it there. We shall continue from there. Wish you all the best.